Hi, Vivas. I am very glad to meet you in this video. This is BVG channel. I am BV Ganesan. Already we have discussed a lot of things in my past videos. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about the nervous system in sex, particularly in a human body. The nervous system is like a electrical wiring in any gadget which we use in modern days. The electrical wiring is very important. With that, every gadget functioning. So we must understand clearly about the wiring, that is nervous system in human being, particularly man and women. In our body, without nervous system, every organ cannot function. The nervous system is very important for the inner organs to function throughout life. Men and women, that is human being, our bodies are controlled nervous system, that is central nervous system and autonomous nervous system. The whole body is controlled by these two systems, central nervous system and autonomous nervous system. We can take this central nervous system as a external affair minister who looks after outside world, and take the ANS, that is autonomous nervous system, as the internal affair minister who looks after all internal affairs in our country. Like that, the central nervous system get information from outside through the sense organ, and it guide our whole body to function according to that sensory receptions, that is which it gathers from outside world news. And inside autonomous nervous system, which looks after all the vital functions in our body, particularly lungs function, heart function, stomach function, glandular function, that is blood circulation, each and every vital function in the inner body from head to toe. Okay. Last but not least, the penis function. The ANS also takes care of the penis function, the erection of the penis and ejaculation of the penis. Okay. The ANS, we have to look seriously in the ANS. ANS function on its own basis. It is not under our conscious control and our will. The skeletal muscles, leg muscles, muscles in our hand, muscles in our neck, muscles in our elbow and rib throughout body, we can use these skeletal muscles at our own will, at our conscious thought. If you want to raise your hands, you can raise immediately. If you want to raise your legs, you can raise your leg as you like. These are all controlled by central nervous system. But the inner organs, lungs, heart, stomach, bladder, kidney and penis, etc. These organs which you cannot control as you like. You raise your head, you raise your hand, leg as you like. You cannot will your lungs and heart and stomach as work as hand and leg. It is controlled by autonomous nervous system. It is outside of our conscious control. We cannot wish, we cannot will. It functions on its own basis, on its own intelligence surveillance. We can have only control on the skeletal muscle. We cannot have control on internal organs. These organs are controlled by autonomous nervous system. It functions without our conscious knowledge throughout life, day and night, whether you are asleep, whether you are awake. It takes care of all those organs. We do not care about these organs' functions. It will take care. Even though ANS is function autonomously, it has a leader. It has a commander-in-chief, that is brain. Suppose you have a pain in your stomach, you have pain in your heart or lungs or internal organs, immediately this information is conveyed to our commander-in-chief, that is brain. It orders, after receiving the message, the brain gives order what you have to do, taking any tablet, taking rest or going to hospital, each and everything it gives order according to the human being behaves. So, to autonomous nervous system, who is the responsible person, who is the directing person? The brain. Under the brain, the autonomous system function. Okay. Next, in autonomous nervous system, there are two branches. One parasympathetic nervous system and another one sympathetic nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system is recreational nervous system. We can call it recreational. The sympathetic nervous system is a fight or flight nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system functions only when you are relaxed and rest time. It functions freely when you are relaxed and rest time. And sympathetic nervous system functions only you are in a stressful situation. For example, you are going on a road to catch a bus. A person suddenly attacks you. What will happen? There are two ways. One, you will fight against him or you will run away. For those two things, you need energy, you need power. Okay, to fight, you have to get a power from your own body. During that time, your muscles will get tight, your muscle will get a full blood from other parts of the body. When you raise your hand, your leg hand muscles will become tight. That means your hand muscles get extra blood to fight against him. If you rise to kick the opposite person, you raise your leg muscles will become tight. You will get the extra glucose blood from other parts of the body to enhance your fight. Or if you don't want to fight, you want to escape that person, you will run away. During that time, your legs and hands function at a top speed, for which you will get a blood circulation and extra energy from other parts of the body to your leg and hand. So you will run away from that situation. During such circumstance, your sympathetic nerves works on involuntary basis. It controls these all things without your knowledge, without your conscious control, without your will, without your thought. It functions, it controls each and everything, fighting or running or anything. This is known as a fight or flight responses. Okay, so when your situation comes life or death, such a situation, your sex organs kept in abeyance. That is, your sex organs kept at a low bay. Okay, it will not function during the times. Only you will escape to survive, or you will fight to survive. To such a circumstance, important is the life, not sex. So during that such circumstance, the sex organs will not function, blood will not go to that sexual organs, so your organ will be limp and lifeless for certain period. After gaining your life or escape or fight, after getting relaxation, you will come to normal stage. The functions, the organs will function normally. This is sympathetic nervous system. This is another one is parasympathetic nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system is responsible for erection. Okay, it functions only you are relaxed and happy and rest mood. Such a situation, the parasympathetic nerves function very well. The parasympathetic nerves is responsible for your erection. When you are not in a flight or fight mode, you will be relaxed. You will be rest position. You will be in calm position. During such a time, your parasympathetic nerves function very well. So, when you go to bed, you have to be very relaxed. You have to be very calm. You have to be very recreative mood, that is happy mood. When you are in happy mood and recreative mood and relaxed rest mood, this system, that is parasympathetic nerve system, function very well. When this parasympathetic nerve system function very well, automatically your sex organ will function very well. But when you go to bed, you are in a mood like unhappy, worry, anger, hatred, and whatever the unpleasant emotions. Some people always get angry for small things to big things, from small things and big things. will get angry. Such persons, when they are get angry for small things, from small things to big things, they are unconsciously, they don't know, they will not understand, they will not know, unconsciously they are stimulating the sympathetic nerve system. When the sympathetic nerve system stimulated, automatically the sexual organs will not get blood. Automatically your sexual organs will be limp, that is lifeless. For that, what you have to do? We have to manage the sympathetic nerves. In which way we can manage the sympathetic nerves? The sympathetic or parasympathetic nerves are inside our body. We cannot insert our finger and control these nerves. Okay, we have to control these nerves through our emotions. We can control emotions. We always happy mood, we always relaxed mood. There is personalities, A-type personalities. Particularly the A-type personality will be affected very much in sexual life. A-type personality means always they get a unhappy mood. Always they think a negative side of life. Always they think what they lack. They do not think about what they have. Okay, we have to be happy when we think what we have. We have to think always what we have, do not think about what we lack. Automatically, in this situation, automatically you get kind of anxiety. This anxiety also stimulates your sympathetic nerves. At the same time, sometimes always they will be in a competitive mode. We have to compass, we have to do performs very well, we have to do whatever they do in outside life or inside life, in a home, wherever they go, they want to come first, they want to do very perfectly everything. So this kind of things will make them a kind of stress. The stress will stimulate the sympathetic nerves. When the sympathetic nerves stimulated, automatically the sexual organ, particularly affected, the sexual organ will be affected. The sympathetic nerves is responsible for loss of erection and ejaculation too. It takes responsibility for two things. Sympathetic nervous system takes responsibility for two: one, ejaculation and loss of erection. Okay, so if you want to do very well in bed, that is in sex, for both men or women, what so far I have told things, it is applicable to men too and women. Men and women. Okay, this sympathetic parasympathetic system is both men and women. They have same system, sympathetic parasympathetic system. Whatever I have said for men, it is applicable to women too. Okay, so if you want to get success in bed, you have to maintain a pleasant mood, positive emotions, not a negative emotion. Positive emotion means relaxed, calm, happy, not hated, not angry, not worry, not a competitive mood, not hurry or worry. Some people always will be in speed position, always in running. They want to do lot of things at the same time. This will also create a kind of stress in our body, that will relate to nervous system. So we have to be very calm, we have to be very pleasant mood, that will stimulate parasympathetic nerves, we will be good at better. So what I want to say, the system, autonomous nervous system has two nervous systems, sympathetic, parasympathetic, like an accelerator and a brake in a car. We have to take like this. The accelerator is a sympathetic nerves, brake is a parasympathetic nerves. The sympathetic nerves always stimulate our body for a fight or flight mode response system, and parasympathetic nerves always give rest, relaxed, recuperation mode. It is like that. But unfortunately, brake and accelerator is under conscious control of human being, that is driver. But unfortunately, the sympathetic or parasympathetic nervous system is not under our conscious control, our conscious will, our conscious thought. Okay, if you do anything with your conscious effort very well in outside world, whatever you do, you can do very well with your conscious effort. But in sex, if you apply conscious effort, you will get failure. So because the nerves, autonomous nervous system looks after penis erection and ejaculation, like a breathing, taking care of breathing and circulation and lungs and heart function. So it is not our conscious control. That's why we do not apply conscious effort to this autonomous nervous system. But the autonomous nervous system we control in a way we like, in indirect way, because we have to control our brain. The brain gives order to autonomous nervous system. That is, if you think you can, probably you can. If you cannot think, if you think you cannot, probably you cannot, because the sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system are soldiers. They are ready to obey from the order from the brain. At the same time, we cannot directly consciously control the autonomous nervous system. But the order which brain gives, immediately the autonomous nervous system obey. But consciously we cannot give, indirectly we can give order through nerves. Okay, so the parasympathetic nerves is responsible for erection, the sympathetic nervous system is responsible for ejaculation and loss of erection. The two nervous system is not under our control, it is automatically function. That's why it is called autonomous nervous system. We cannot directly, consciously control, with the conscious thought, with the conscious will, we cannot control the autonomous nervous system. We can only control our central nervous system through our thoughts. We can control our autonomous system without our consciousness. Okay? Enjoy. Good luck. Please share this message and subscribe and click the like button. Thank you.